Hi guys and welcome to the channel. Planet IX. I've talked about this project before. It's a promising NFT game or play to earn game, and they having some NFT collection drop out. Things are getting exciting, so we'll cover that in the next few minutes. First of all, this video is not financial advice. It's only for educational purposes. And second of all, everything is linked down below in the description. Make sure to check it out and let's start the video. So guys, here we are on the website. As you know, that's a very clean, simple, easy to use interface for a website, Planet IX. So this game is quite easy to understand. They are more or less competing with Axie Infinity in some way. As you can see, Planet Earth here containing these hexagonal shapes. Each shape is a piece of land that you can buy, you can utilize, you can play, you can develop, and you can also trade with other players. And as you can see here, Restore the Planet. Planet IX is an NFT-based strategy game with a virtual copy of Planet Earth as your arena. The goal is just to develop your piece of land and then you can use it further in the game. The main three pillars here of this game is collect, trade, and develop. You can collect pieces of land or pieces of NFTs, the Pix NFT, Planet IX NFTs, and then you can gain more control over the game. And then trade, you can trade them with other players and earn some money if you want to, or if you wish, you can just keep them and never trade. That's up to you. Thirdly, or lastly, that's develop. Develop is a strategy you want to develop for your piece of land in order for you to excel in the game. So once you drop down there and read more about the game, Planet IX is a GameFi strategy game. The mission is to explore the world, connect NFTs, trade them with, on the marketplace with other players, and challenge each other to develop your pieces of land and excel in the game, generally speaking. So something rather important here, you need to know that this game, kind of iconic hexagonal shapes, these are quite interesting. There is a legendary, that's a capital city center. Once you scroll a little bit, you will find that there is rare, that's a capital city, New York, London, Paris, whatever. And then once you scroll again, you will find Met area, metropolitan area, and also rarity of these pieces will be distributed equally. It's more or less representing Planet Earth. Some cities are more expensive than others, some cities have more impact than others, so you will find that somehow being realistically replicated here within this game, and you can also develop it even further. As you can see here, coastal line, that's uncommon. The common area is suburban area, and some common areas as well, countryside. So once you scroll down, you'll find the sticker over here, 120,000 airdrops. They have some unique traders and active agents. So something rather important happening now here with the game. IXT is a token or the native token for this game. This coin has its own utility, this coin has its own usability, and everything can be used within the game with IXT token. So let's go a bit on the tokenometry of this coin and scroll down a little bit here. Let's go and take it step by step. Let's not rush anything. What's IXT? IXT, it's a native coin, as I told you. You can stake it, you can in-game utility, it has usage in game, you can trade with it, you can buy stuff, you can sell stuff, you can buy and sell and develop using the IXT token, and then it's governed of course by the community of this game. There's a white paper here. I don't want to bore you with much details about the white paper, but we can quickly look at the Planet IX token over here. That's Q2, it's launched already, 45% monthly user growth and 400,000 active users. Once you scroll down a little bit, you will find this breakdown of tokenometry. That's the token allocations. As you can see here, the investors and advisors, they take over 8.5%, staking rewards almost 16%, ecosystem funds, that's 41%, and just over 16%, that's liquidity events, and then airdrops nearly 20%, 18.2%. Out of nowhere, they will be distributed for free on people or for early adopters. Speaking of early adopters, they announced that they have an NFT early adoption badge, meaning that once you get involved as early as possible within this game, there is no official announcement. I'm just speculating. And if you want to speculate with me, you can go to their Twitter account, you can follow them, and you can also get involved in their Discord link, and you can follow what they're talking about. As you can see here, they're just regularly involving with people, with customer, I'm not gonna say customers, I would say with players. And also they are announcing every now and then early adopter badge minting on the 14th of June this month. So I would highly advise you to go down there on the links down below, check them out and see what's it all about. So I do speculate that once you're an early adopter, you can get a badge, and this badge can give you either a piece of land, I mean kind of an infamous piece of land, probably a capital city, probably some unique piece of land within the game, or you can get some rural pieces for free and then you can develop them, or you can get some coins as well and then you can trade this NFT badges for tokens. And these tokens, as I told you, has its own utilities. I'm just speculating. There is no official announcement, but the only official announcement that they're having a big surprise for early adopters. So you can be an early adopter once you go down and once you get yourself informed and involved in the project. So let's go back to the website here, and here you will have your latest news. So going back to the main page, here you will find join our community. I do advise you also to join the community, get involved, get in touch, ask questions. If you have any worries, you can ask, you can interact, and you can also make friends. Gaming community is big, gaming industry is big, not only on the metaverse, also in real life. Gaming is booming like crazy. There is always a misconception that gaming is only for kids. No, we grown-up men, we love playing. We don't grow, we just get bigger and our toys get more expensive. So I would advise you to get more involved and see what's going on here. And as you can see, they are heavily announcing the IX token as well. They have the NFT raffles. Then you can go down and you can see that the picks and landmark NFTs, that will be the NFTs and lifeblood of Planet IX. Some old pieces are the story of the game, and as you can see here, something mysterious is happening. Not much is very clear about what's going on here, but I would say that adds to the mystery element. And once you get involved, once you see what's going on, you will be quite surprised that it's actually growing. Many people are talking about it, and as I told you here on the Twitter page, you will find more than 11.7 thousand users and followers. They are not fake followers, they are real followers. As you can see, the numbers of likes and shares and tweets and retweets, things are getting exciting with this game, and everyone is holding their breath waiting for the 14th of June to see what's going to happen here with this early adopter badges. So as I told you, I do believe that you should check the links down below and see what's it all about. And me personally, I would be quite excited in like a couple of weeks or so to see what's gonna happen. So guys, speaking of the special badges, as I told you, they're having some announcement here. I mean, it's a mysterious announcement, not much details are given, but as you can see here, as you may have seen on the Discord, Planet IX is launching the Genesis agent for change badges. These badges are symbol of being an early adopter in the Planet IX ecosystem. So again, the earlier you are, the more involved you are, the more opportunities you might have with big surprises such as these badges. No more information, no more announcements are made, so everyone is just speculating, which is adding more mystery to the whole thing. As you can see here, the minting date will be the 14th of June, and to be eligible for such a thing, you have to stake a minimum of 10 IX token on the IX Foundation. As you can see here, this requirement is a good opportunity to educate your fellow agents of change on the DeFi component of Planet IX ecosystem and introduce more players to the staking rewards. And as you can see here, for more information on how to stake your IX token through the IX Foundation, please visit the Planet IX Discord or tutorials. That means you should get involved in the community with the Discord, with the Twitter account. You have to follow them, and you need to get more involved and active with the community to get the latest and greatest updates. I do believe that this opportunity might be a very, very big opportunity. Probably they will give you some land, probably they will give you some more utility with the dropout or with the surprise in the game. Who knows? But I do highly recommend you to check the links down below and see what they're on about. So guys, in a nutshell, we went through the Planet IX new NFT drop. I would highly encourage you to check the links down below, get involved, get yourself more informed. Things are getting really exciting with this game. They're claiming to be bigger than Axie Infinity, so let's see. Who knows what the future might bring. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave any comment you might have down below in the comment section, and see you next one. Bye bye.